Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing 2 fruit flavors by Shijin Vapor. Handcrafted in an ISO 8 certified cleanroom facility, SherThang and frozen grapes are 70 VG 30 PG blends, available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. SherThang is a perfect blissful blend of berries, oranges, and citrus. For the smell, I get top notes of sugary citrus. On the inhale, I get a sweet blend of lime and lemon notes, with light undertones of orange on the exhale. Frozen grapes is freshly cold-pressed grape juice with a cooling menthol throat hit. The smell has top notes of menthol with subtle undertones of grape. On the inhale, I get a cooling and sweet grape blend, with menthol lingering on the exhale. These 2 flavors are great sweet fruit flavors. SherThang is my favorite flavor of the review. I enjoyed the combination of sweet and citrus flavors. I would have enjoyed frozen grapes more if it was lighter on the menthol. The cooling grape flavor on the inhale was excellent. I just didn't care for the menthol notes on the exhale. Overall, well-crafted blends and perfect warm weather vapes. If you would like to try these flavors for yourself or any other lines by Shijin Vapor, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.